delicious.
It's good.
Hey everyone, we've got 2 new Starbucks mango drinks to try today. They're both Starbucks mango chais. One is iced and one is hot. I don't know about hers, but I saw on mine it's 310 calories if we're counting. And I think it was about 5 something. But this is what it looks like. It's chai and it looks like they put mango cold foam on the inside. Hopefully it'll be delicious. We'll see. I just had a little bit of the foam, and it's good. It's kind of like mango whipped cream. Once I have the chai, it's so strong that I don't really taste the mango that much.
You don't taste mango?
A little bit. I don't know if it's that good of an idea.
It's not.
It's okay. I wouldn't make a point to come back and buy it.
Okay.
I don't like it that much. So let's try the hot mango chai. I'm assuming it's going to be basically the same. It's different. Funny enough, it's different. Hot chai tastes different than cold chai.
Which one is better?
I don't know. They're both good. It's hard to say. Let me try one more time. Maybe this one's better.
Okay.
Alright. That's our review of the new Starbucks Mango Chai. I hope you chai it out for yourself and let us know.
Let's go, Mika.
The tree normally doesn't look this bad. It's falling down because of all the peaches. You see this one's starting to get soft. You see it's been attacked maybe a little bit. So these are Texas peaches. They're on the small side, but they're still delicious. If you live in a place where you can grow peach trees, you should do it because they're really delicious and they're pretty easy to grow.
The next year it will be softer. Oh, sis, look, somebody is eating. This is third one. William is right. What they ate? Those are squares, I think. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. William is right.
So since we've seen that the squirrels have eaten so many, I'm gonna pick the ones that are completely orange. They're not soft, but they should soften in the house. At least we know that by color they're ripe.
William is right. You had about 100.
So this is about 18 peaches. We got a few mulberries. This is today's harvest. We covered some of the other peaches that are still there and we're experimenting and hoping that the squirrels won't take them. But they took a lot of peaches this year and what can we do? It's their nature. We'll try to cover them better next year and that's okay because each year this tree's going to get bigger and the peaches are going to get bigger. This is only the 3rd year that we've had the tree. And this is a peach tree right here, and we didn't get any peaches this year. I saw a few flowers, but they never developed into peaches. And this tree's also 3 years old, but it has grown slower than the other one. So they'll get bigger and bigger. And you can see what we did. We've kind of covered some of these peaches. Try to keep the squirrels from getting to them. And this is our Fiji apple tree, and we've got some apples growing. If they find these, they'll probably try to eat them too. So this is our 2nd year of getting berries from our mulberry tree. And it's nice, they're already coming in. It's a dwarf mulberry tree, but I'm not sure if that means that the tree is small or the berries themselves are dwarf. But in my opinion, they're bigger this year than they were last year. So Right now I'm gonna maybe just pick the biggest ones. This is already the third time that I've harvested some berries, and you can see we still got a lot more. So it's really awesome. And maybe next year this tree will be twice as big and it'll be huge, and I'll just have to come out here and shake the tree to get them to fall off. Even though this size looks pretty good, my wife says in Armenia, in the big trees, these berries are 3 times this size.